this is Judy. Let me introduce our multiple 4-door refrigerator. The capacity is for 595 liter. We can add the LED display here, have the freezer, flexible zone, fridge, economic function. Then we open and see inside. This is the fridge area. Fridge area, we have three glass shelves and also 2 boxes. The bottom is for freezer. Have the six boxes area. You can put all the foods inside. For the certificate, we have CEUL, Rose, Sasso. If you are interested in this model, please contact me. Thank you. Bye-bye.